In our previous video, I took a plain wooden IKEA table and transformed it using wood stains and paint. It's got a clean contemporary look which I love and it's always popular. Today though, I'm going to take it a step further and transform it into looking like it's been in a French country home for a couple of hundred years, old and worn. First I have to address the tabletop, but I'm going to have to raise it up in buckets to make it much easier to work on. That's better. Already this is looking totally different. Just have to add a few wormholes and then get on to do some staining. You mustn't overdo it. If you remember from the previous video, I started off by using a dark walnut and I will use it again. But I'm going to start using an ebony to make the cracks nice and dark first. Always use a lint-free damp cloth to soften the stain after you apply it on the surface. And make sure to wipe back and remove any rag marks. So I did say I was going to use the dark walnut a second time, but I decided to try a roasted pecan color. It's a little bit warmer and lighter, because I didn't want the table to become too dark. I wanted it to have a little bit of a contrast and a little bit of a warmth, so I went for the roasted pecan instead. The dark walnut is more in the yellow tones, and the roasted pecan is more in the red side. I'm really liking the warmth and the richness the roasted pecan adds. I've decided I'm going to bang up the edges of the table with my little hammer here, just to give it a little bit more of an edged look. You would normally do this before you would be using the stain, and I didn't think that I needed it, but I've decided I do, so I'm going to do it now. We're almost done. For the last step, I'm going to edge the legs with a tinted scumble. If you want to know how to work with scumble, there's a video just for you, linked in the description below. Well, here it is, the finished table taking pride of place in my home office. We've taken a plain wooden IKEA table and transformed it into something unique. Pleased with it, but I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching. See you again real soon.